Hello everyone, I'm Evan.
And I'm Brittany.
We are Team Floridead, part of the Scare Factor. Tonight, we're celebrating Christmas.
Yes, we are headed to Ominous Descent. The theme is going to be Finn's Christmas Nightmare.
That Ominous Descent is down in Winter Haven. We visited for Halloween, their big return. Absolutely fantastic, so we can't wait to see what their Christmas layover holds. We'll check in as soon as we get out front. We're very nervous for Halloween. It scared us so badly.
Yes.
Based on our review, actually, they won the scariest in the Southeast. So super excited to check it out for Christmas. We're gonna take a little walkthrough through, see what it's all about. Here we go. All right, we are heading into Ominous Descent, reaction style. Oh boy, here we go. Finn's Nightmare Christmas. Their living room is decorated beautifully for Christmas. Got a nice little Christmas tree. Oh! Santa with the axe. Look at that little kitchen. Oh! Hi, Santa! I'm gonna go upstairs. We're in the pantry, and we have a visitor with us. Alright. Heading into the backyard. Woo! The air got me. Ooh. Oh, it's smelling a little ripe out in the backyard. Here we got. Another elf. Oh God. Oh God, I can't see. Oh, where am I going? Oh, another beautiful Christmas tree. Oh, we're in the bathroom. Oh, there's someone in the tub. Okay. Oh, oh hello. We got a friend. They're still following me. Brittany, I think I'm a friend.
Y'all watch out for Tiny Tim on the swing.
Oh, poor Tiny Tim. I've never seen a light up chainsaw before. Someone's knocking in the greenhouse. God. We're trying. We've been warned to get out.
It kind of smells like bacon.
I don't want to ruin their Christmas. Ooh. I can't see. I hear pigs again. Oh God. I'm lost. Nope. Dead end. Where are we? I'm lost. This way? Oh. Forgive me, I got lost. Oh. We found a friend in the corner. Oh, and there's hanging faces. We're in the swamp. Who doesn't bite? Oh! Okay, somebody just went running into the swamp. All right, there's a boat to my right. Something's coming out of the water. Brittany? Oh. I'm looking for Santa though. Everyone's looking for Santa, but we can't find him. His cookies are so good though. Oh gosh, we got hanging pigs.
Why won't you just wake up? There's no
Goodbye. Fantastic job by
Amazing.
So good. They're open next weekend. Please come check them out down in Winter Haven.
Amazing.
It is worth the trip no matter where you're coming from, and it's so scary.
Yes.
These actors are truly giving it all. It's so realistic, the set design. It's truly incredible. I told the owner I feel like I need to take a shower because of how gross and creepy it is. So check it out for Christmas and then come back for Halloween.